Good day, everyone. Welcome to our video on the different classification of plants. So for our objectives at the end of this lesson, we are expected to explain the different levels of classification for plants, fungi, and protists, showcase a brief overview of the different kingdoms and phyla with their respective plants, and finally, indicate a few essential details and functions on the plants in each kingdom and phylum. For our introduction, we must first establish what taxonomy is. Taxonomy is the scientific classification of organisms. This comes in different methods based on certain characteristics. Carolus Linnaeus, for example, developed a classification system that involves organizing species in a hierarchy based on similar physical traits. This is called Linnaean taxonomy. The figure to the right shows the levels of classification from most specific to most broad, with species being the most specific. Keep in mind that in Linnaean taxonomy, these levels are known as taxons. So for species, this is the lowest and most specific taxon. It narrows the classification to a specific organism. It is below genus and it makes use of its scientific name. For genus, it is known as a division of family and also makes use of the scientific name. Genus is the level of classification above species. Family is the level of classification above genus and below order. Order is widely regarded as a division of class. Class is a division of phylum and above order. Phylum is a division of kingdom and is above class in terms of classification. Keep in mind that phylum is spelled phyla in plural form. Kingdom is a classification level above phylum and is known as the highest and broadest level of classification in Linnaean taxonomy. So here is a list of the phyla under Kingdom Plantae. I'll give you guys some time to read all this list of phyla. To the left of this slide, you have an example specimen for its respective phylum. For liverworts, they have green scales that grow flat against the surface. Hornworts, on the other hand, have similar characteristics to liverworts. Expect their reproductive organs possess a horn-like appearance, hence the name hornworts. Mosses have a soft and fluffy appearance due to its tiny leaves. This gives it its bush-like appearance. Whisk ferns contain green to yellow to orange stems, which are triangle-shaped. They also contain spore cases on the upper stems. Club mosses are low evergreen herbs with needle-like leaves. Their stems tend to grow upward and stick out compared to mosses. Horsetails possess the appearance of miniature bamboos. Their leaves are non-photosynthetic and grow in whorls. The stem, however, is photosynthetic, hollow, and ridged. Ferns grow leaves and stems that resemble a pine tree. They are non-flowering plants that reproduce sexually through spores. Conifers have woody trunks and stems. They all produce pine cones, and their leaves resemble needles. Most conifers are either shrubs or tall trees. Ginkgo or Ginkgo biloba possess fan-shaped leaves and wooden stems. These plants are native to China and have been cultivated since ancient times. Cycads are cylindrical and unbranched spongy wood with evergreen leaves that form a crown-like appearance that surrounds the leaves. Needham from phylum Gynophyta. They take the form of small trees and scrambling vines. They can be found in South America, South Africa, and Southeast Asia. Finally, flowering plants are plants that bear both flowers and fruits. They can reproduce both sexually and asexually. These plants have two classes: class Magnoliopsida or dicot, class Liliopsida or monocots. That's it for part 1 of our lecture. Check out our YouTube channel to learn more. Check out also our Patreon for more exclusive content. Thanks for watching.